I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Webflow. First, begin by logging into your Webflow account and creating a brand new project. You have the flexibility to start from a completely blank canvas, giving you total creative control, or you can select one of the many professionally designed templates available. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the Webflow designer interface, paying close attention to the various panels and tools at your disposal. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth building experience. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Webflow's visual canvas allows you to easily drag and drop various elements, such as sections, containers, and headings, directly onto your page. You can then customize their appearance using the powerful Styles panel, adjusting colors, fonts, padding, and margins with precision. Remember to utilize the responsive design tools to ensure your website looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones, providing an optimal user experience for everyone. With your design taking shape, it's time to add your content. Populate your pages with engaging text, high-quality images, and compelling videos. For dynamic content like blog posts or product listings, leverage Webflow's powerful content management system, or CMS, to organize and display information efficiently. To truly bring your site to life, explore the Interactions and Animations panel. You can add subtle hover effects, scroll-based animations, or even complex multi-step sequences, making your website feel incredibly interactive and professional. Finally, the exciting moment arrives: publishing your website. Before going live, you'll need to decide on your domain. You can connect a custom domain that you own, or you can use a free Webflow subdomain for testing. It's always a good practice to thoroughly review your entire site for any last-minute errors, typos, or broken links. Once you are completely satisfied, simply hit the Publish button, and your beautifully crafted Webflow website will be live and accessible to the world, ready for visitors to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.